morning. Okay, once again we are here. Oh, good morning. Anjay, thank
You know how many kilometers?
Wow. Kazire.
10 kilometers.
Lu ta.
No, black coffee.
Mi kilometer chul kune le sang so shit la. See. Yeah. Breakfast is yogurt kaya ta sage. Chamba gya dida. Oh, you want to go with us? You'll go with us to Darjeeling. There. First time tongs into chicken. And you get hot chicken to अच्छा तो आज हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं See, didn't all the fish to the tongue seconds though? Oh wow. Oh, you're not interested in the fish? So nice. Okay, so swimming pool fees is like that. You have to, yeah, the band. एउटा चाहिँ दिनुस् न त्यसरी ल नानी आएको छैन. Oh, Tara! Tara's gonna swim today. Yeah. Excited?
Yeah.
ल हुन्छ धन्यवाद. Okay, so let's go. Oh wow, so nice, yeah. Huh? What is that? Lotus though. Oh yes, see? So nice. You tadpole to you. Oh, so nice. Kyichu-ga is gonna have fun with tadpoles. Hi, Kyichu-ga kita muna siyang marda tadpoles. Mga lakon juice. Pen juice. Ito dela chik sugi usar da hotel do jinsa da. Hotel mall ina.
Nursing school.
Oh wow.
Nursing school Delhi.
Nursing school. बन रहा है इधर. बिल्कुल opposite में. सच है यहाँ वाला. Yes.
Hello. Autumn. Speaking of Bay, I'm going to
또 늦어라. Oh, fruits ready.
cherry blossom.
बहुत सारा फिश है इधर. लेकिन बेचारा so sad है इन्हें क्या? Water looks so dirty. See, we have a lotus flower. Huh? So we have come to this very beautiful place, and there's a swimming pool, and the area itself is so beautiful. Look at these flowers, oh my god. Fish! Ah, bo, fish, my god. Oh, Angel! Variety of fishes. See? So nice. Ah, wow. And the area is so beautiful. See? Little kitty is also here. Hello! He's enjoying. Okay, the swimming pool is on the other side. चलो, आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं इधर swimming pool किधर है. Oh wow! Oh, nice. Oh wow! It's very nice, yeah. Come, guys, first change. Okay, the place is beautiful, and my god. Very hot. And आपका यहाँ से नीचे है changing room. And इधर है आपका shower. Now you can take shower before you go into the swimming pool. इस तरह से है नीचे की तरफ. इधर आपका swimming वो है changing room. And flowers are everywhere. फूल तो बाप रे हर जगह फूल ही फूल है. देखिए.
Okay.
Tara, you liking it? Shibila, 1, 2, 3, get in. Why are you scared? You have this also. Floaters. Hambo, Shibila. Shibu, do that. Hey, Shibila. Ishila juice asta today. See? Yeah. What is wrong with you? Come on, get in. Come on, Nazila. Come on. Let's see. Let's see now. 1. Oh yes, very good. Okay, now in. Now swim. Oh, yes, 6 packs though. Yes, 6 packs, 6 packs. It's not deep. Yeah. How is this guy swimming then? Can do dolphin and everything, huh? Enjoying? Ambo.
Actually, the water tastes like SHIT.
Excuse me, let's baby. First, you should. Tara, you enjoying?
I'll just stay till here. That's better for me.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
जरूर सपोर्ट करें और
Pork
मैं
ribs.
चाहूँगा कि
Wow,
आप लोग
looks
जितना हो
really
सके
nice.
अपनी तरफ से हमें सपोर्ट करें और उसी हिसाब से
Oh, बढ़िया. It's very sunny. Weather is awesome. Very nice. And Shipu is diving. Yeah, but burger has not come. Azhar, you want me to get the swimming costume? Swim, no?
I'll teach you. Come. Kill 20, okay, yeah. I want, yeah. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Enjoy life, baby. Achi, tada baby.
jump.
Guys, kids. I'm
fat. I'm like this though when I was young.
so cute. Oh, you were like this only.
Yeah.
Same as that you when you was little.
This one.
You guys are twins?
No?
No.
No, we two
Dear brothers.
one brother. This our brother. Very hard for us.
Maybe hard for us. I can understand. I also have two sons. Oh, see?
See, you got three. I got only three.
Two. One and two.
One more.
Yeah, one and two. What happened 2 years? Hi. Tara. Huh, where's Ashang Bhai?
Yeah.
This is my udon noodles. Udon. And Ishila's burger has come.
Ramen.
No, it's noodle.
I'll try.
Kyichu was so hungry. No, not with your hands, please. I'll give you. How's the burger, baby? Try.
Huh?
How's the burger? You have to press it first.
Can you rid of the tomatoes?
전부 다. 아, 잠깐만, 니네 다. 알겠네.
Bye. Ganyan mo sa naman. Ganyan mo.
Chicken. Mama,
Bye.
can you put the picture?
How's the burger, Tara? Huh? Yummy. So you enjoyed the swimming?
Oi, Papa, me. Papa.
Iced tea.
Papa.
Jigsaw.
Didn't get even.
कैसा अच्छा लगा?
बहुत टाइम लगा लेकिन और भूख लग रहा था आगे से इधर उधर कचर पुचर खाया कहाँ तो बढ़िया है काफी बोरिंग लग रहा है
going up. Look at these flowers, baby.
You make sure the car shine, baby.
You're. So nice, this bridge. You can see so many varieties of plants. We show all the varieties. It's like as if हम लोग ना कहीं सिंगापुर वगैरह में हैं लग रहे हैं. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. This one. Look at the leaves. So big leaves. No, these are all plants. Look at that. It's so nice.
Mama, where did we find this plant?
And look at this. Oh my God. See? Wow. Very nice, yeah?
Whose garden?
Whose garden?
Of all of these, my father liked this the best. So let's go again. Let's go out.
Guests can stay here also, you know. They have rooms available.
Exam, nigga.
Guys, that one.
So आज जैसे आपने देखा कितना सुंदर जगह है ये. So do visit this place. I've put a whole video of it, you know. So I'm sure you like it. Okay guys, हमारा इधर हो गया Japanese garden. Actually मुझे वो नाम ना बिल्कुल आ ही नहीं रहा है बार-बार. So that whatever the Japanese garden is, हमने सब देख लिया. बहुत मज़ा आया है ना. Whole day जैसे बैठे हम सुबह से आए थे. So अब हम जा रहे हैं. So let's see. कुछ गार्डन है बोला. So we'll go there next. ये बाइक ड्राइव कर रहा है आज. बहुत दिनों बाद ड्राइव किया होगा बाइक ने ना.
बहुत टाइम के बाद.
मेरा हैंड बैग है ना इसमें. Okay, so we are at Living Garden. Eat, play, relax. Looks very nice. Look at this. Oh my God. Hello. So beautiful. Wow. Okay. So this is a garden area. तो यहाँ आप लोग आराम से आके बैठ के ना enjoy करके ना evening भी, if the weather is nice, I think it's very beautiful. इस तरह से है. लिविंग गार्डन, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल नेम। ओहो गाना चल रहा है, मेरा हो जाएगा राइट। ओके कॉपीराइट होने का सब चांस है, सो अब आपको कुछ और ही म्यूजिक सुनना पड़ेगा। यहाँ का म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, बट देन आई कांट, है ना। ओके सो देयर इज अ प्ले एरिया फॉर किड्स, इस तरह से है।
No, come down. Easier there.
Sit here, yeah.
Now you take me up.
Take me down. Bibi machida. Kang bay din lang siya, dio.
I'm scared.
Bibi mau macha, yuchuk macha, yuchuk macha. Ikida. Slowly ji. Amba, bungee jumping. अच्छा है। Alright, now it's Tara's turn. बैटरी जोड़ दूंगा। तो हम लोग फिर इधर आए हैं, ये लिविंग गार्डन में देयर इज अ सिटिंग, हम लोग तो ड्रिंक वगैरह के लाए हैं।
Please go on by.
No, I'll get inside.
Guys, look at this beautiful view from here. I swear यहाँ तो ना, यहाँ पे मैंने सुना है कि बहुत शादियाँ होती है, कौन शादी नहीं करना चाहेगा इसी जगह पे। It's very very beautiful. इस तरह से देखिए व्यू है and it's mesmerizing. And today from here I'll sign off guys, and इस beautiful view के साथ आज मैं यहीं पे आप लोगों को बाय बोलना चाहूँगी. Hope to see you again very very soon with another vlog. Hopefully you'll like this vlog. If you like it, what they have to do?
Like, share and subscribe. और आपका गैंगटॉक में मैंने बहुत सब्सक्राइबर मिला था.
Yeah, even I met
I
some.
think you have a very good subscribers in Gangtok.
Thank you, Gangtok.
Thank you, Gangtok.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Half an hour. More than half an hour. No?
Talented Butila is here.
You were eating his pizza.
Cake khandi ready? The biscoff. Okay, this is a biscoff cheesecake. Looks yum. And this is going to her restaurant, Shere Punjab. She makes pastry herself. Oh. Go there for her restaurant, and it looks amazing. कितना अच्छा केक बनाया है बुचिला ने. बुचिला खुद बनाती है अपना रेस्टोरेंट का केक्स. Very talented. Oh.